project of this size, nobody does facade assessment.
Yeah.
But you know,
We
we
did it.
discussed and we did a very, very scientific analysis to see how should the facade be. But we did the energy simulations. We worked on thermal heat gain reduction of the building, so the buyers, their apartments will have lesser, right?
Yeah.
So that costs you money too. Money
It
extra
did,
to
and
do
I think my
different kind of
architect
glass.
was also flexible.
Right.
Tony Stapati. They were very flexible because they, I think, integrated with Smarta Dharma to kind of ensure that all of this was tucked in. We use Porthum, we use high performance glasses, and also from the facade. The design is absolutely top notch.
Right.
It is not compromised. We've used reusable materials in the facade,
Right.
so that also brings in the cooling effect. And we did the daylight analysis, the sun path analysis, all of that to see the calculations in such a way.
And very scientifically with numbers we can tell
Absolutely
how the apartment will get, you know, so much reduction in their thermal heat gain,
Yeah.
and hence their air conditioner use,
Yeah.
without compromising on their design.
When we started looking at the facade design itself, there were some areas that were given that flexibility and using local materials. So, I mean, I am from, my
Kerala.
roots are from Kerala. And the fact that 200 years old house that my mother lived in, the first floor does not have a concrete. It is a rosewood,
Right.
you know, the columns and the slab, all of it is complete wood. It's completely sustainable, right? And having seen that, I realized there's a lot of wood that was thrown away. And some of my friends who, you know, suggested, why don't we reuse wood? Why don't we reuse, you know, wood that is thrown away into the facade? There is treatment, there is whatever, there is a small expense. But it is also about how you choose that materials wisely and how you source them also, and being smart enough to kind of play with the design.
Create the story for the customer to understand, right?
Yeah.
So you're right. Coming to the material, right? And we took some crazy steps. Like you said, we use reused wood, the kind of pavers used for the ground. How was that? How was it a challenge? And you know, the big thing in all this, in your material segment, was reduction of GGB cement, right?
Cement.
Again, for the information, cement is one of the highest greenhouse gas emitting element of the entire construction industry, and in a building, from the material point of view, just between cement and steel and concrete, we are talking about 84% of the embodied carbon, which is a huge percentage of the building. If we can just focus on that, we do. And in this project, we have done nearly 40% reduction in cement, right? So how was that?
It was
What are the
40% OPC and 60% OPC and 40% GGBS. Shobha and our site was the only two sites that were using this technology in Cochin. I know a lot of my developer friends in Bangalore do that now. But we were seeing the strength. Like initially, you know, when my team came in, they were like, no, this is unheard, we've not done it. I said, okay, let's take some cube testing. Let's check what the strength is. And they realized that M40 came into an M55, M56, which was astonishing for them. And they were extremely happy. And the fact that there is reduced, you know, heat absorption.
Right.
So that made a difference. And
it also saved money, didn't it?
It saved money. For sure, it saved money. And at the same time, we were using Porthum also that complemented towards all of this.